How do I make custom comparisons in pytest? For example, I'd like to assert that two pspark data frames have the same data, however just using equals checks that they are the same object. Ideally, I'd also like to specify whether order matters or not. I've tried writing a function that raises an assertion error, but that adds a lot of noise to the pytest output as it shows the traceback from that function. The other thought I had was to mock the _eq_ method of the data frames, but I'm not confident that's the right way to go. Edit. I considered just using a function that returns true or false instead of an operator, however that doesn't seem to work with pytest_assert_compare. I'm not familiar enough with how that hook works, so it's possible there is a way to use it with a function instead of an operator.
My current solution is to use a patch to override the dataframes_eq_ method. Here's an example with pandas, as it's faster to test with. The ID should apply to any object. Haven't tried it yet, but I'm planning on adding it as a fixture and using Autows to use it for all tests automatically. In order to elegantly handle the order matters indicator, I'm playing with an approach similar to pytest.approx, which returns a new class with its own _eq_ for example. The minor issue I haven't been able to resolve is the failure of the second assert df2 == sorted df2. This order works fine with pytest.approx but doesn't here. I've tried reading up on the == operator but haven't been able to figure out how to fix the second case.
Just use the pandas.dataframe.equals method, this URL. For example, assert can be used with anything that returns a boolean. So yes, you can write any custom comparison function to compare two objects, as long as the custom function returns a boolean. However, in this case there is no need for a custom function as pandas already provides one.
To do a raw comparison between the values of the data frames, must be exact order. You can do something like this. If you want to specify by order, you can do some transformations on the pandas data frame to sort by a particular column first using the following function.
You can use one of pytest hooks, particularity the pytest_assert_compare. In there you can define what tier you want to compare and how. Also docs are pretty good and with examples. Best of luck. Smile.